This beautiful cathedral in Montmartre Paris has a silver statue of a bloke in a dress, ancient scuba divers in gold helmets, stained glass windows as big as houses. Outside is just as impressive. Clean, crisp, bright, beautiful building. How do they keep it so clean, I don't hear you ask? Wait and see as we enjoy donuts and admire the views with our full bladders, as we're not paying that much for stinky toilets. Let's go.
No flash photography. Wow. There you go. Oh wow, check out this. Wow, that's pretty impressive. Ah, that's an amazing building. Oh man, so this building's absolutely amazing. I mean, look how clean and crisp all like the brickwork is. It's incredible that it was built like 100 and something years ago. It started actually in 1875 and it finished in 1914, nearly, well, 39 years, nearly 4 decades. So it was built after the Franco-Prussian War, 1870 to 1871, and then like the Paris Commune uprising in 1871. So basically France had a bit of trouble with Prussia, but then Paris descended into chaos, and the Archbishop of Paris vowed if France survives this, we'll build a massive church as penance. And France survived, and they built it. And right after they built it, World War I broke out. So yeah, not exactly good timing, was it? All the candles and whatnot. I love the stained glass windows, they're amazing. Oh wow, check out some of this tapestry, not tapestry, the tile work, that's cool. Oh wow, it looks lovely with the light on the bloke with a circle around his head. Well, they all got circles on their head. Maybe because they're in the sea and they're diving underwater. Ancient scuba diving gear, I guess. Now, I'll tell you what's pretty cool. Why this building like looks so clean is because they use a specific limestone called Château-Landon Travertine. And with that friggin' accent, you wouldn't know that I'm not French, would you? I mean, friggin' hell, it's fantastic. So it's like an amazing, like self-cleaning, like limestone. So that's why the building looks so bright and clean all the time, because it self-cleans. Absolutely friggin' amazing. Now, shame I can't build myself out of that because I stink all the time. Oh dear. I was going to use that with another joke with a certain population, but apparently it sounded racist. So, oh dear, it made me laugh anyway. No one can have a sense of humour nowadays without people friggin' like biting your head off and bloody wanting to bloody take you down, for crying out loud. Anyway, absolutely friggin' fantastic building. It really is amazing. Like all these pictures on the wall, the stained glass and everything. Definitely worth a visit. Now obviously it's in a bit of a touristy area and there's a lot of tourists here, but don't let that put you off. It's still definitely worth visiting this place. It really is incredible. Quite amazing piece of work, really. Oh, wow. Oh, there's another one up here. Check out that. Wow. Oh, that one looks cool. Oh, cool. Wow, check it out. This bloke here, it's been modelled in solid silver. All of that silver. Wow, that's a lot of silver. There you go. Famous bloke in a dress made out of silver. Yeah, definitely check this place out. And the views when you come outside, you've got the archway and the lovely crisp architecture, and you can see the blue skies and the view over Montmartre or Montmartre, whatever it's called. Absolutely fabulous. Check it out, guys. We did. Hello, Mum. Check it out, guys. We've just been looking in this, what's it called, Cathedral place. Absolutely friggin' amazing, and the views around here are awesome. You've definitely got to check it up. Check it up. You've definitely got to check it. Absolutely friggin' fabulous, and the views around here are absolutely awesome. Now having a little break with a naughty donut. Yeah, so good. Huge taste, like some of the best donuts. Definitely worth the carbohydrates. And I say, around here, it's absolutely amazing with the views. Check them out. So yeah, after we've had this, and we're going to move on to our next stop. I can't remember the name of the place, but yeah, see you there all along the way. Ciao. Yeah. Oh bloody hell, guys! Just about to have a toilet stop. €2 freaking euros. Crappy smelling toilet. €2. Absolute freaking crime or what? Unbelievable.